Hi, I'm Jay with the Cooling and Plumbing Company, and one of the best things about Arizona is our weather. And one of the greatest things we get to enjoy in our weather are fire pits. And right behind me is a fire pit. It's actually in a condo complex. And what I wanted to talk to you about today is fire pit safety. We have a little spot right here where you put a key and that turns the gas off and on. Most important thing is to make sure that you turn it completely off when you're all done. Fire pits can be dangerous if they're left on or unattended. So it's very important to make sure that you shut your fire pits down. In a condo complex, there's a lot of people that are using this fire pit. So if someone's using this fire pit and they forget to shut it off, natural gas or propane can pool underground, and then if somebody comes by and has a cigarette or tries to light it, and it could cause an explosion. This condo complex had an issue where one of the patrons left the fire pit on, so of course the fire department was called, and it was a big emergency, a big issue. So they called me and asked me, hey Jay, what can we do about making sure we don't have this as an issue again? So I suggested a timer. This particular timer right here, I set it into the barbecue island. All the customer has to do is push it to open. The key for the fire pit is right here to turn the gas on and off. And then this timer right here allows you to set the time, and it automatically turns the fire pit off. So that way if anybody lights the fire pit and they forget, no problem, this is safe. I also suggested to put the same exact timers in for the barbecue system. That way if the barbecues were left on, it wouldn't be an issue as well. Also too, to keep people from coming in underneath here where all the gas piping is. You really don't want people underneath here messing around, moving gas lines and potentially causing a leak. So now all the condo owners have to do is just come right here and turn the timer on, and then once the timer's turned on, they can light the barbecue and have a great time. And if they forget to shut it off, no big deal. Everyone's safe.